Good mor Good morning, class. Our topic for today is all about perfect square. Today, we will explore a new exciting topic in mathematics. But before that, let's activate your prior knowledge with a simple warm-up activity. For our learning objectives at the end of the lesson, at least 75% of the students should be able to first define perfect square numbers, second determine if the given is a perfect square or not, and last is show a perseverance in understanding the lesson. So we have a class rules or heart rules. So before we proceed to our main lesson, let's proceed to our heart rules. First is H, have respect. E, engage actively. A, act responsibly. R, raise your hand before speaking. T, take care of school property. Let's proceed for our engage. So on the screen, you can see different pairs of numbers, each inside color image. So your task is to identify the correct product by choosing the matching pictures. You will multiply numbers inside the parentheses and choose the product that is correct. Number 1, 6 times 6. What is 6 times 6? Correct. The answer is 36. Next is number 2. What happened when we multiply two negative numbers? Yes, it become positive. So, right. Negative 5 times negative 4 is equal to 20. Next, number 3, show 7 times negative 8. Since one number is positive and the other is negative, the product will be correct, negative. So, 7 times negative 8 is equal to negative 56. Number 4. Number 4 is negative 12 times 11. So, 1 is negative and 1 is positive. Make the product negative. So, the answer is correct, 132. Negative 132. And last, number 5, negative 13 times negative 15, which also give a negative product. That answer is negative 195. Great job! You all remember that the rules for multiplying integers. Now let's move on to our story for today's lesson. To understand our lesson better, I want to tell you a short story. So please listen carefully and imagine the scene as I read. So once upon a time, in a land far away, a little boy with an exceptional talent in mathematics decided to save the world from Dr. Y. His passion for solving mathematics problem will be his power to stop the bad intention of Dr. Y. The story started when a valiant Dr. Y escape from the prison. Upon the escape, he carjacked a bus and put some bomb into it. To stop the ticking bomb, Super X need to connect the wires correctly. The passenger began to panic. Nagpanic na daw yung mga pasahero ng bus. So, to stop the ticking bomb, Super X need to connect the wire correctly. So, today, you will help Super X to save the passenger by solving the product correctly. First is one bomb is -3 times -3. When we multiply a negative number by another negative number, the result become a positive. So, the answer is positive 9. Second is, the second bomb shows 7 times 7. This means we multiply 7. It's 7 by itself. So, 7 times 7 is equal to 49. The third bomb show -13 times -13. Again, multiplying two negative give us positive answer. So, -13 times -13 is equal to 169, correct? And lastly is the bomb 11 times 11. So, multiply 11 by itself. Give us a correct 129. Positive 129. Lagi niyong tandaan, pag magkaparehas yung sign nung number, ibig sabihin, ang sagot nun ay laging positive. Pero pag magkaiba naman yung sign, may positive at negative yung sign niya sa isang equation, ang laging final answer nun is negative. So, let's proceed to our explore. Super X successfully connected the wire and was able to save all passengers. Next, let's proceed to our explain. So, square root of 1 squared is equal to 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So, 2 squared is equal to, correct, is equal to 4. 3 squared is equal to, correct, 9. This final answer is called a perfect square. So, perfect square is the square of a rational numbers. Let's proceed to our elaborate. Now, let us begin by examining the first set of perfect square. Let's look at the table in the front of you. We have 4 numbers, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Your task is to complete the table by writing their squared form, the multiplication form, and the final values. First is 4 squared. Paano siya gagawin? So, 4 times 4, ano yung pinaka-equal niya or ano yung pinaka-perfect square niya, is equal to 16. Next is 5 squared is equal to 25. 6 squared is equal to, correct, 36. So, 7 squared is 7 times 7. And the perfect square is 39. Correct. This result 16, here. This result 16, 25, 36, 49 are all example of square or perfect square. Next. Now, let's move on to the next set of the number. We have 8, 9, 10, 11, and 11. Again, we will complete the table by writing their square form and the result. The first one is 8 squared. 8 times 8 is equal to 64. Square root of 9 squared is equal to, correct, 81. Square root of 10 squared is equal to 100. 11 squared is equal to 121. Now, this value 64, 81, 100, 121 are all perfect square as well. So, let's proceed to, in this part, we include numbers that have negative sign. Remember that when you squared a negative number, the result is always positive because multiplying two negative give a positive product. Diba? Sinabi ko kanina, pag parehas ng sign na positive or negative, ang lalabas na equal sa kanila ay positive. Pag magkaiba ng sign, ang lalabas sa kanila ay negative. So, let's proceed to negative 12 squared is equal to 144. Bakit 144? Hindi po siya negative 144. Kasi magkaparehas sila ng sign. Pag magkaparehas ng sign, ibig sabihin, positive lagi. Pag magkaiba ng sign, negative siya. So, next, square root of negative 13 squared is equal to 169. So, 14 squared is equal to 196. How about 15 squared? Correct, is equal to 225. All of this result, 144, 169, 196, and 225 are perfect square. Notice how both positive and negative numbers become positive when squared. Let's proceed to our practice. Check if the mathematical statement is true or false. Now, let's check if each mathematical statement is true or false. I will read each item. You think about the solution. First is negative 12 squared is equal to 144. Correct, true. Is positive 17 squared is equal to 289? Correct, true. Is negative 23 squared is equal to negative 629? False. Bakit? Pag sinabing negative, pag tinimes mo sa sarili niya, yung positive ay negative, pag magkapareha sila ng sign, ibig sabihin, yun ay positive. Hindi siya negative. So, 27 squared is equal to, correct, 729. True. Negative 31 squared is equal to, correct, false, is equal to, in this activity, you will match each squared expression in column A to the correct perfect square in column B. Let's proceed to B, which is, in this activity, you will match each squared expression in column A to column B. For number 1, so, hahatiin ko kayo sa tatlong group, which is ito si group 1, si group 2, saka si group 3. So, number 1 is 15 squared is equal to 225, correct? Good job, group 1. So, number 2, how about number 3? 33 squared is equal to 1089. Number 4 is 41 squared is equal to 1,681. And lastly is, hindi na natin sasagutan kasi mag-isa na lang siya nga. Let's have a evaluate. So, sasagutan to sa 1/4. First is, find the product of negative 25 and negative 25. Number 2, evaluate 13 and 13. Number 3, negative 16 squared is equal to, and number 4, an integers that be expressed as the square of another integers is perfect square, perfect cube, square root, o cube root. And lastly, the product of negative 5 and negative 5 is equal to negative 25. True or false? And that's it for today. Thank you so much, class.